In this video, I will show you how to make a floor in Pygame. First of all, I set my variable x to any number since that will just be where on the floor they are. Now I set my variable speed to 0. This will be how fast I am going vertically. Now I set y to 4000 since for this code this will be the level of the floor. In this code I've also multiplied it by 10, but you don't actually have to do that for your code, it's just for my code it does. This is because I'm using a gravity variable, so this will make it more accurate for my code specifically. Now further down I check for keys. If I click W, it will make my speed to -100, which will make it go up. Then after this I make it so every time I loop around it will change the y coordinate by speed. Then the speed will get closer to 0 by using gravity. Now I make it so if my character goes under the floor it will instantly make it go to the top of the floor, therefore giving the illusion that the object remains on the floor. This will also set the speed to 0 to stop it changing the y coordinate. Next we make a circle. I place it on the screen and make the colour black. In brackets I then put the x and y coordinate, and then the y will be divided by 10 since it was inflated earlier. Then I just make the radius 10. Then I make a floor which is a rectangle. The floor will be at y equals 410. Then we do pygame.display.flip. This will display everything. Now when I run it, I can jump, and when I reach the floor, my object will stop. I hope you learned something from this video, and please consider subscribing and liking to promote my channel.